Let's all play together in Leo's world. Oh no! Scoop's house is on fire! Scoop is going to get help. Which of the friends would be best to help with the fire? Let's see. I'll choose Leo. A watering can. That won't put out the fire. Let's water the garden beds. New flowers will grow then. Oh, but what about the fire? Can you choose who can put it out? Of course, the fire truck. Click on the fire so that the truck will start to do its work. The grass and shrubs are all safe. Now we can put out the fire on the terrace. And in the window. Hooray! We've done it! Oh, Leo has a little yellow frog in his bed. The froggy is lost. Where should Leo take him? Frogs live in ponds. Look! There's his mother sitting on a lily pad. Let's go out on the dock. Little froggy, don't hop so far from your mommy again. Where should we go now? Uh-oh, Leo has somehow gotten dirty. Is there a car wash close? Here's one. Wow, there's water and brushes and even soapy bubbles. Leo's quite pleased. Where can we go next? Oh boy! A soccer field. Scoop's playing here. A ball is right in front of Scoop. He just doesn't know which way to send it. Maybe he can knock down the bowling pins. Scoop ran into a hamburger. Go, go! Into the net! Goal! Scoop gets the winner's cup. Scoop is very happy, of course. Congratulations! But we are going on a new mission. What's happening here? Tents and shovels. There's even a pickaxe. Let's go! The robot has a magnifying glass. But what's in the tents? In this tent, there's a ball and a kitten. Look, the tent on the left is moving. The kitten's already here? Yes! She ran out with a sausage. And this seems to be a robot discovery, an ancient culture robot. I see. Archaeological digs are happening here. You can find out how ancient peoples used to live, and robots. Let's become archaeologists too. We'll find something interesting in the sand. I found something! Now we have to click on our find to retrieve it. Now let's look over here. Here's something. There doesn't seem to be anything else. We'll take our discovery. Let's look on the far right. Oh, here are 2 fragments. Let's put everything on a tray. We need to put the pieces together. We need a piece like this one. And the handles go like this. It turned out to be a very beautiful jar, an ancient vase. Did you know that together we could be such a professional archaeological team? Great work! What else is there to do? In Leo's World, there are still lots more missions. Download Leo's World and try them out. Good luck!